It is really a very common claim that they make in the industry. A Ethernet next generation device. But what is truly next generation? Here at Raisecom, we do not take that statement lightly. We designed Rax711 to have a very strong foundation. With its 6GB ports, it covers most of the common mobile backhaul or enterprise solutions in the industry. But we also understand that our customers want to be able to have the ability to select from optical ports or electrical ports. This is why here at Raisecom we build both of them. We also included a synchronous Ethernet port for specific mobile backhaul applications as 4G and LTE. We also had to design very strong Layer 2 features. Ethernet demarcations is not only about having EFM and CFM, but we also have to have in mind that this product is going to be part of the network architecture, and most likely, it is going to be connected to other vendors that may not be Raisecom. This is why Raisecom focuses very strongly on the interoperability with other carriers. And we have to have in mind that we're not the only product in the network. This is why we strongly believe that we should follow the standards. Rax711 is CE 2.0 certified. Interoperability is the key of any next generation network. Here at Raisecom, following a standard is a fundamental skill. By standardizing the services that the carriers provide, we are increasing their chances to be successful. By including two new types of services, E3 and E-Access, we're actually increasing the way we used to design carrier Ethernet networks. With new protection mechanisms like G8032 and G8031, we're providing a ring architecture that is as resilient as an old SDH or SONET network. The combination of these features with a very strong OEM foundation and a service turn-up testing like Y1564 gives the enough KPIs to our customers to truly monitor an SLA. We understand the importance of RFC 2544 and service turn-up. We have been doing it for years. But to truly design a next generation Ethernet equipment, we really have to step ahead. This is why Raisecom designed on Rax711, Y1731 and Y1564. With these tools at hand, customers can truly measure the KPIs and can provide accurate SLA measurements. By being able to measure these KPIs, we're truly giving the customers the ability to measure the SLAs. With RFC 2544, there's no distinction between CIR and EIR. This is why we embedded this service turn-up test into the equipment. But it's not only creating new technical features, we also need to understand the requirements of the customers. Rax711 includes a feature called bandwidth on demand, and what it enables you is to give the customer the control to increase their bandwidth every time they need it. By standardizing the way we provide an ability to the customer to throttle up and down in their bandwidth, they can control the amount of usage in the network that they really have. And they can also be built in accordance to their specific needs. We also understand that one of the key goals of the carriers is to reduce the OpEx. There's no better way to speed the rollout of the actual services. This is why on Rax711 we included auto provisioning. Now, auto provision is not only discovering the unit and giving him management. We have been doing that for many years. But we also need to give the ability for them to be able to download a customizable template where they can actually adopt a very specific configuration parameters in the network. When the equipment is plugged, he will look for this configuration file, he will download it to the equipment, and he will boot with a new configuration for the customer. Once this is done, you can actually run a service turn up test and provide a birth of certificate which we can assure that we're delivering a channel that is being proven to work. These are some of the features we believe that truly makes Rax711 a next generation demarcation device. We are proud at Raisecom to be a leader in this industry. And Rax711 is just a way for us to demonstrate that.